I'm Chef Athan. Today I'm going to show you how I make turkey patties and tomato sauce. You're going to need ground turkey, garlic, cilantro, tomatoes, red pepper, green pepper, onions, tomato sauce, and olive oil. First, we're going to take the turkey in the bowl. I almost forgot we were supposed to season the turkey. This is salt and this is black pepper. You know what? Let's add cayenne pepper. You know what? Let's add mustard too. We're going to put it aside and we're going to chop some vegetables. I'm going to cut some cilantro. We get cilantro to the turkey. We're going to cut some onions. Let's add onions to the turkey. We're going to cut some tomato. We're going to add the tomato. Now we're going to mix everything. Now we're going to cook the patties. We're going to add some olive oil. We're going to make some patties. Now we're going to put it in the oil. I'm making three and it smells so delicious. Mmm, smells so good. This smells so good. Look how delicious they look. I'm gonna make a couple more and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna make our tomato sauce. First you start with olive oil and we already put olive oil. Next we add some garlic. I love garlic. Now we're getting some cut vegetables. sauce, and it's tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Now I'm adding the patties. Now we got more sauce, garlic and herbs. That's it. That's how you make turkeys and patties and tomato sauce. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what if you like the patties. Peace.